It's being called as a verdict sending a strong signal, a pro-environment order. Supreme Court has banned the sale of BS3 or Bharat Stage 3 vehicles from 1st of April. In a strongly worded order, the Supreme Court said, health of the people is far, far more important than the commercial interests of the manufacturers or the loss that they are likely to suffer in respect of the so-called small number of such vehicles. Green bodies lauded the ban, calling it an acknowledgement of public health crisis and a step in the right direction towards fighting air pollution.
मुझे लगता है ये बहुत बड़ा निर्देश है। ये भी है कि खाली दिल्ली का सवाल नहीं है, मगर पूरे देश में प्रदूषण इतना बढ़ गया है कि हमें ऐसे कदम उठाने पड़ेंगे। कोर्ट के सामने सारे आंकड़े हैं, सबके आंकड़े हैं कि देखिए प्रदूषण का स्तर इतना बढ़ गया है कि आज जो हवा है वो जहर बन गई है। कोर्ट के सामने सारे आंकड़े हैं कि WHO तक लेके कोई भी इंस्टीट्यूशन आज हमें ऐसी शर्मनाक बात बताती है कि भारत में कोई नहीं आए क्योंकि यहाँ का प्रदूषण इतना बढ़ गया है।
Automakers are saying that it's a body blow to auto firms saddled with a stock of over 8 lakh such vehicles, but the notification had been issued long ago and the automakers had time to make necessary changes. From 1st of April, no automaker can sell or register vehicle who are not compliant with the Bharat Stage 4 norm, and automakers now only have 2 days to sell inventories up to 8 lakh vehicles, out of which 6 lakh are two-wheelers, and losses could be up to 12,000 crore rupees for automakers. So what is Bharat Stage 3? Bharat Stage 3 is a form of emission standard. Bharat Emission Standard instituted by the government to regulate the output of air pollutants from internal combustion engine equipment, including motor vehicles. The standards and the timeline for implementation are set by the Central Pollution Control Board under the Ministry of Environment and Forest and Climate Change. The standards based on European regulations were first introduced in 2000. Progressively stringent norms have been introduced since then. Since October 2010, Bharat Stage 3 norm has been enforced across the country. From 1st of April, many parts of India and the city of Delhi will come under Bharat Stage 4. India would skip Bharat Stage 5 norms altogether and adopt Bharat Stage 6 norms by 2020. While the norms help in bringing down pollution levels, it invariably results in increased vehicle cost due to the improved technology and higher fuel prices. However, this increase in private cost is offset by savings in health costs for the public. So what are the options in front of automakers? Automakers are now looking to sell Bharat Stage 3 standard vehicles on the discounted rates. They have Thursday and Friday 2 days to sell because from Saturday BS4 norms will set in. But customers need to be wary about it as BS3 vehicles can't run in many major cities. Many automakers are now looking to export into foreign markets. With inputs from Nishant Saurabh, Siddhant Sibal, DD News, New Delhi.